Now we can discuss exercise 9.1 ninth group. Which is greater in the each of the following? First question, 2 on 3 and 5 on 2. Solution. How can we do this? First, we have to find the LCM of 3 and 2. We know there is no common factor for this 3 and 2. So, we have to multiply these two numbers. 3 2s are 6. After then, the step is we have to convert these given rational numbers into this LCM as denominator. So, 6 is the denominator LCM. So, here the LCM should be 6. So, 3 times 2 and 2 times 2. 3 2s are 6. Then 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then next rational number is 5 on 2. This also we have to convert into the 6 as the denominator. So, 2 times a number equal to 6. Which number? Here 2 3s are 6. So, we have to multiply numerator also with this 3. 5 3s are 15. So, next step is we have to compare these new rational numbers. That is 4 on 6 and 15 on 6. So, here 15 on 6 is greater than 4 on 6. So, how can we understand? Look here. Here the mouth is open here and this is the closed place. So, here will be smaller number and here will be the greater number. Okay. Then we have to think about our old rational numbers. Instead of 15 on 6, 5 on 2 is here. So, we can say 5 on 2 is greater than 2 on 3. Our question is which fraction is which rational number is the greatest here. So, we can say 5 on 2 is greater than 2 on 3. Second question is negative 5 on 6 and negative 4 on 3. Here LCM of 6 and 3. Here we know 6 is a multiple of 3. Okay. So 6 will be the LCM. Next step is we have to convert both rational numbers into 6 as the denominator. Then negative 5 on 6. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 to get 6 as the denominator. Anyway, here we don't want to convert actually, but you can understand it. That is why I am doing here. So, negative 5 on 6. Next, negative 4 on 3. 6 will be there. We have to multiply denominator also by 2. Okay. So, numerator we have to multiply by 2 itself. So, negative 4 times 2, negative 8. So, here negative 5 on 6 and negative 8 on 6. Here one more thing we have to think about. Here negative integers are there. Negative 5 and negative 8. When 5 and 8, if it is positive 5 and positive 8, we know 8 is greater than 5. But here negative 5 and negative 8. Here while considering these negative integers, negative 5 will be greater than negative 8. Okay. Because 0, negative 1, negative 2 and so on. It's coming back. Okay, going to left side. Then while on a number line, if the numbers are going to right side, the value will increase. If the numbers are coming to left side, the value will decrease. Then we have to think about our old rational numbers. So here negative 5 on 6 itself and the old rational number 1 was the different. One rational number was different. So, here we can say negative 5 on 6 is greater than negative 4 on 3. Next question, negative 3 on 4 and 2 on negative 3. Here negative 3 on 4 and anyway this is a negative rational number. So this negative we can keep for our numerator. Okay, both are same. Then we have to find the LCM of 4 and 3. Here there is no common factor. 1 is the common factor. So we have to multiply 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Now we can say 12 is the LCM of these two rational numbers, negative 3 on 4 and 2 on negative 3. Next, we have to convert these rational numbers denominator as LCM. Here the LCM is 12. So, negative 3 on 4 and 12. How can we convert? By multiplying by 3. Numerator also we have to multiply by 3. So, negative 3 times 3, negative 9. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Next, second rational number. Here, negative 2 on 3, then 12. We have to multiply denominator with 4 and numerator also we have to multiply by 4. So, negative 8. Here, new rational numbers are negative 9 on 12 and negative 8 on 12. Here it is very clear, negative 8 is greater than negative 9. So, we can say negative 3 on 4 and 2 on negative 3. Here, negative 2 on 3, okay. So, now we can say negative 2 on 3 is greater than negative 3 on 4. Okay. Then, negative 2 on 3 is greater than negative 3 on 4. Okay, children. Fourth question is negative 1 on 4 and 1 on 4. Here denominators are same. So we don't want to take more risk. Both denominators are same. Next we have to compare the numerators. Here negative 1 and positive 1. It's very clear. All positive numbers are greater than the negative numbers. So we can say 1 on 4 is greater than negative 1 on 4. Next question. Fifth question. Negative 3 2 on 7 and negative 3 4 on 5. How can we know? Here both are negative rational numbers. So we can convert this mixed number into improper fraction. How can we? Here we have to multiply. Negative we don't want to consider now. This negative is common for here and this negative will be here. Okay. Now the next step is we have to convert these two mixed numbers. So negative will be common. Okay. Then 3 times 7 whole number times denominator plus numerator. This multiplication will be in bracket. Then 7. Then next negative itself. 3 times 5 plus 4 on 5 itself. Okay. Then negative 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23 on 7 and 3 5s are 15 15 plus 4 19 on 5. Here negative. Okay. So the next step is we have to find or we have to make the denominators are same. So here we can find the LCM of 7 and 5. There is no common factor. Here the common factor is 1. So we can multiply these two numbers to find the LCM. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Then negative 23 on 7, 35 times 5. Here also 5. Then negative 115 and negative 19 on 5 times 7. Okay. Then 35 on negative 133. Okay. Anyway, both denominators are same. Next our step is which is the greatest one. So here negative 133 and negative 115 15 is there. So we can say negative 115 is greater than negative 133 on 35 on 35. So which is the greatest rational number given in this question? So we can say we know that this negative 115 is equal to negative 23 on 5. Then this negative 23 not 5, 7. Negative 23 on 7 is equal to negative 2 on 7. So now we can say negative 3, 2 on 7 is greater than negative 3, 4 on 5. Clear, children? I think you got the idea. We can do this work in another way also, that we will study in another video. Okay.